Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to reveal how any level of PowerPoint designer can animate charts like this with a very simple entrance animation requiring minimal mouse clicks. I'm genuinely excited to share this straightforward animation method that elevates your chart visualization to the next level. I'll walk you through each step in the video, ensuring you don't miss any crucial content. Without further ado, let's animate the charts. Here I have some example charts ready for this tutorial. So to say, we can't apply animations randomly. Let's see what happens if I apply animations randomly. You see, the applied animations will not fulfill our exact requirement, right? So, how do we know what animations will work for the charts we have? To figure out what animations to apply, we must understand the behaviors of the charts initially. What do I mean by that? Well, each chart is there for a reason and displays data from a particular perspective. In this example, if you look at this line chart, the data flows from left to right, as indicated by these lines. There may be several lines, but all are flowing in the same direction, which is left to right. So, we need to think about this and choose the most relevant animation from the bunch of animations already present in PowerPoint. The reason I selected only these charts is mainly that they are widely used across the corporate level and are the most used in data visualization. You can experiment all day by applying these animations one by one on each chart and make it trial and error. Then, picking the best fit among the animations is a heavy task, right? But don't worry, I got you covered. I did all that work for you, and I picked the best animations that suit well for the charts we have. I realized that the wipe animation is the best fit for this line chart. The wipe animation can wipe the objects from top, bottom, left and right, which is exactly what we need right now. Let's apply the wipe animation to this line chart. We need an animation that wipes out the lines from left to right. So I've applied the wipe animation, but still I didn't get the exact output. The whole chart is getting wiped out from right to left. Now, here is the secret. Go to the Effect option. Select the direction from left and select the sequence as by series. What this effect does is it will animate the objects within the charts one by one, which is our exact need. We can go deeper and tweak this by going to the animation pane. Click on this little arrow to expand the animation group. Remove this background animation because we don't need the chart plot to be animated. We just need to animate the lines. Select the animation start type as you wish. I prefer start after previous so that the animations will start one by one on its completion. Set the duration as 2 seconds and let's see the preview. Now we got the exact animation that we need. Hold on. Is this applicable for this column chart? Let's see by applying wipe animation. Animation is partially okay, right? Let's make some animation adjustments to make it fully okay. Go to the Effect option and select by series. You can play with the below options, but this one is fit for this type of charts. Again, we don't need the chart plot to be animated, so I'm removing the background animation from this group. Select the animation start type as start after previous. Set the duration as 1 second. Let's see the preview. Now we got the exact animation that we need. Oh no, what about this donut chart? Let's understand the chart. The chart visualizes the data in a circular format, so we need a circular wipe animation which is directly not available in PowerPoint. Next, there should be clockwise rotation. In the end of my trial and error, I found that this wheel animation is the one which we can apply for this kind of animation requirement that fulfills our need. Again, we have to tweak the effect option to get what we want as the output. Go to the Effect option and select the sequence by category. Again, we don't need the chart plot to be animated. So, I'm removing the background animation from this group. As usual, select the animation start type as you wish. I prefer start after previous, so the animations will start when we go to the presentation mode. Set the duration as 1 second, and let's see the preview. Now we got the exact animation that we need for this type of charts. Boom! We have animated 3 different types of charts now. Let's see what other type of charts we have. For this bar chart, the data behavior is from left to right, so we can copy the line chart animations using Animation Painter option and apply to this bar chart. Again, we don't need the chart plot to be animated. So, I'm removing the background animation from this group. As usual, select the animation start type as you wish. Set the duration as 1 second. The same is applicable for this area chart. So I'm applying the same animation to area chart as well. We don't need the chart plot to be animated. So I'm removing the background animation from this group. Select the animation start type as you wish. Set the duration as 1 second, and let's see the preview. Now we got the exact animation that we need. Alright, this pie chart has the replica of the donut chart that we already applied the animations. Let's pick the animations from the donut charts using the Animation Painter and apply on this pie chart. We don't need the chart plot to be animated. So, I'm removing the background animation from this group. As usual, select the animation start type as you wish. Set the duration as 1 second, and let's see the preview. Now we got the exact animation that we need. Now we have all the chart animations like this. Everything I just showed you is useless unless you're strong on slide designs, animations, formatting, etc. Dive into this particular playlist full of videos if you're serious about improving your PowerPoint skill by at least 1%. Catch you in the next video. This is the Slide Master, signing off.